Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to add neon effects in CapCut. So first thing is of course just simply open up the CapCut application into your device. And now guys, once you are here, you will just simply create a new project or go to one of your project that you have. And now for example, I am going to add a text. So I'm gonna tap on text icon at the bottom over here, guys. And now select add text. And now, of course, just simply provide your text over here. Let's say I'm going to go for test only. Now, from here, guys, as you can see, you will have the search icon on the left side of the screen down at the templates. And now from here, you will just simply search for neon. So guys, you will have a lot of options over here that CapCut has to offer, and it has a built-in transition as well. So when I tap on a specific text, as you can see, it will automatically be applied. And if you want that, you could just simply go ahead and tap anywhere outside, and you will have the text on neon over here. And on the timeline, you could provide a specific time or seconds that you want to have your text popping up, and pretty much that's how you add neon effects in CapCut. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.